Hi, I'm Kate from Best Buy, and welcome to the lab. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine with automatic milk frother attachment. I'm not an expert barista, but with this machine, you don't have to be. I can make espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, and other espresso drinks. This is the portafilter. It has a nice flat base for even tamping. This machine has dual smart temperature sensors to make your water just the right temperature for the best tasting espresso. The frother is really easy to use. All you need to do is add your milk and it steams and froths it to perfection. I would love to get one of these for my mom. I think she would love it. That's it. Thanks for stopping by the lab.